This is my new build here, Core i7 920DO right there. It's running at 3.67. As you can see, right there is my temperatures. ATI 5870 right there with the Danger Den water block on it. A custom box on the bottom here to hold my radiators. I have one radiator here. I got one radiator on the other side here. And then the fan in the front here sucks air in, and I have another one on the back side that sucks the air out like a wind tunnel. This is my XSPC combo reservoir with a pump built inside. This is a Thermaltake armor case here. It's been all powder coated blue. You can't really tell too much on the camera, but if you look over here, the whole thing's been powder coated blue. And you can see the whole side of the case here.
I was asking because you had like 3 drivers.
Right now I'm running an iFinity setup. This is my desktop right now. All the way across.
Preferably we should have someone extraction all the time. So everyone's
That's what it looks like here at the LAN. Right now I'm at PDX LAN. About 500 people come to this LAN twice a year. A whole bunch of tournaments, poker tournaments, Dota tournament. And I'll take another video here in a little bit of everybody else's computers, but this is my setup here. And I'll get some gameplay footage here in a minute too. Okay, I'm going to show you Team Fortress 2 here. Just a quick demo of what I'm doing.
They're really easy to bring out. You just need it. Because I mean, if you empty like two Uzi mags and like 2 or 3 melee speakers, just don't be afraid to think it. If we're keeping up the general strategy, if we don't get hit by chargers, if we don't get hit by booter, it's like half the time. I think the only thing that you have to watch is jockey.